Hi, my name is Vince Farrell and I'm an application engineer at Hawkridge Systems. Hopefully you're aware that SOLIDWORKS comes out with a new version every year, and SOLIDWORKS 2018 is full of great new functionality to help you design faster. I'm going to focus on a couple of flattening enhancements to routing in this video today. Routing is a module that lets you create 3D models of pipe, tube, and electrical routes and is available in SOLIDWORKS Premium. Flattening is a way to represent electrical routes in a 2D fashion for drawings. My routing add-in is already turned on. You can see that I have my command managers available here, and I've completed the design of this electrical routing harness. I selected Flatten Route right here, and therefore I've created an Annotation Flatten view and a Manufacturer Flatten view. I'm going to switch to my Annotation Flatten view right there. And you can see it's a configuration inside my configuration manager. Now you can see my flattened view. This view is not to scale, but it's going to give me a good representation of how the connectors are laid out. Now that I've switched to this annotation flatten route, I want to show off the first enhancement. When I right click on a segment that's connected to a connector, such as this one, I now have the option right here to view connected connectors. When I select that, you see that the connector connected to that segment is highlighted in pink. And on the converse, I can right click one of these connectors and then select view connected segments. And you can see that the connected segments are also highlighted in pink. This can help you easily identify what goes where in your harness. The second enhancement I'd like to point out is that now you can move around the entire route in a flattened state. This is easier to see if I switch to a manufacturer flatten view right there. In this view, the harness is set to scale. Therefore, it's ready to be laid out on a form board. You can see that this is the outline of my form board and that my harness is not fitting in the middle. Previous to this enhancement, I would have to right click on one of the route segments, select Edit Flatten Route, and then I could go in and play with the coordinates of the form board. However, now I have this option to move connected route segments. When I select that, you see an XY manipulator pops up on the screen, and I can drag my route. You see there's a handy ruler there that I can snap to, and this will allow me to easily move this segment correctly within my form board so that I know it's in the appropriate place for my drawing. This will save you some time laying out your routing for drawings. In today's video, I went over two key enhancements for flattening routes in SOLIDWORKS 2018. Thanks for watching.